So do you have any advice for diabetic retinopathy? Okay, so when it comes to any kind of nervous issue that's dealing with blood sugar issues or diabetes, you have to understand the nervous system is made up of cells. Okay, it's always made up of cells. And each cell consumes by the blood and eliminates waste by the lymphatic system. So if it's compromised, it means it's being affected by acid and mucus. Okay. So how do you strengthen the nervous system? There are three main sections you have to deal with when you're addressing the nervous system. But first of all, before I get into that, I will deal with the blood sugar issues. You have to understand the blood sugar issues it's a pancreas and adrenal issue. It's a neurological issue as well. So you want to strengthen the pancreas, you want to strengthen the adrenals. You also want to strengthen the gut, to clean the gut, because the solar plexus is also part of the nervous system, houses the nerve ganglia there. Okay, so you need to clean that. Now, having said that, we clean that part, we get the kidneys to filter, we get the lymph system to move. Then you take the extra steps of strengthening the neurological system, and this is done by using herbs, adrenal herbs. Okay, adrenal glandula. Use herbs for the head, put circulation to the scalp. Okay, we have a tincture called Neurological 1. It's for blood flow and strengthen the nervous system from the head region as well. And you want to clean the gut, use herbs for the bowels. That's it. And you use a diet, like go on a raw vegan diet. This is the most anti-inflammatory diet you can use, and allows you the opportunity to get the body to heal itself. And I would actually start on a raw vegan diet and move on to low glycemic fruits. Okay, like cherries, like grapefruit, and use the herbs and work towards building up your glands. Once the glands are working in good working order, I'll move towards the stronger fruits, the grapes, the melons, and the grapes, melons, and any kind of citrus fruit. Okay.